Actually, it's malt.
What kind of mold?
Malt. Cereal.
What kind of cereal? The one you put in?
No. It's not the one we cook every day.
Moa.
It's not the one we cook every day, the rice. Actually, the rice is the kind of
rice?
malt.
What kind of rice? Is that dome?
Maybe it's
Thailand rice.
special wagwan.
Rice is special.
Do you know
No,
what
no,
wak-wak is?
Beer is made of barley, malt, wheat, and other substances, but I
What
don't
kind of substance?
I can't analyze that fucking matter.
You know you should be a scientist.
No. You know why? If I'm gonna be a scientist,
I'm gonna be a model.
the world scientists will discover a lot of things bad in our past.
What kind of bad things?
You know, the bad things.
No. Please explain.
Gallegos, who discovered the telescope? Galileo. In my own, in Spanish, the word Galileo pronounced Gallegos.
Okay, let's